Hi everyone, today we are going to see a quick and delicious potato recipe which is an all-time favorite of my family, and it's baby potato dry fry which you can enjoy as a side dish. So let's get started with this quick, easy and delicious baby potato recipe. So first we need to thoroughly wash the baby potatoes several times until they are well cleaned, as we are going to cook them without peeling off the skin. And then we need to cut them lengthwise into medium thickness so that they cook fast and turn out crisp. So in this way we need to cut them. So I finished cutting all the baby potatoes, and now let's start with the cooking process. For that we'll heat a flat and large non-stick pan, and into it we will add around 1.5 tablespoon of mustard oil. I prefer using mustard oil for this recipe, but you can use any other oil of your choice. And when the oil is hot enough, we will add few Kalonjj or Caraway seeds, as well as few Cumin seeds or Sabut Zeera. We'll let them crackle for a while. And now into this we will add 2 dry red chillies along with the baby potatoes. And now on medium to high flame we will stir fry the potatoes for 1 to 2 minutes. We'll add now some basic spices. Here goes some salt as per taste, a pinch of turmeric or haldi powder, around 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander or dhaniya powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. We'll now mix all the spices well along with the potatoes until they are well combined, and keeping the flame on medium, we'll fry the potatoes for another 1 to 2 minutes. And once the potatoes are well sauteed with the spices, we will cover and cook them on low flame for 6 to 8 minutes or until they are cooked through. Let's check the potatoes now. We'll stir them once. I'll now check a potato piece, and as you can see they are well cooked by now. So now we just have to saute the potatoes by stirring them in between until they turn crisp. And I have been stirring the potatoes in between for 3 minutes, and by now they are crisp and well browned from outside. And friends, our crisp and delicious baby potatoes dry fry is now ready to be served hot. So friends, I hope you will try this quick, easy and delicious baby potato recipe which you can enjoy as a side dish. Also, I'd love to hear your feedbacks, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.